we're making flubber today. Okay, so can you show everybody what we need? We need borax. Where's the box of borax? Okay, and then we need glue. Where's the glue? Okay, so we need 2 small bottles of glue. We need food coloring. Do you see the little green bottle of food coloring? It's in front of the glue. There it is. So you can actually not use food coloring if you don't want to, but we want to make it even more fun. So you can either use green or you can mix blue and yellow food coloring to make the color green. Or you can actually make it whatever color you want. We're just making it green for the purposes of, you know, Flubber from the movie Flubber is green, right? Yeah, it's green. Okay, we're also going to need water. Where's the water? Yeah, we need water. We're going to need 2 bowls. And can you show everybody the mixing spoon and the measuring spoon that we need? Yeah, so we're going to need a wooden mixing spoon and a measuring spoon and a plastic bag. Where's the plastic bag? There it is. So that's everything you're going to need. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you want to learn how to make flubber, then just keep watching. So what do we have to do first?
The water.
Got to pour in the water. So we got 3/4 cup of water. We're going to pour that into our first bowl.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good job. Okay, what do we do next?
The glue.
The glue. So we've got 2 4-ounce bottles of glue. So it gives us a total of 1 cup. We need 1 cup of glue. It's going to squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
On this cup.
And that one. Squeeze it all in there. Oh, there's more. Squeeze it.
Now we're on it.
Gotta mix it all together. Yeah. So what do we have to do next?
This one.
What's in there? We got borax.
Borax.
Yep, we got 2 tablespoons of borax. So
This.
yep. Good job. And now we're gonna pour 1/2 cup of water.
Yeah. Found it.
Pour it in there.
Okay.
Good job. And what are we doing? So pour the pink bowl into the blue bowl. Now we're mixing everything together. Pour it all in there. Oh, uh-oh. Good job. And mix it all together. And we can add a couple drops of food coloring to make it green. Don't add too much, okay? Just add a couple drops. Just squeeze it a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, how many did you put in there? Put a couple more. Okay, that's good. Take it out. And now mix it together and see what color we get.
Orange or blue.
It's gonna be green. Whoa. Okay, so now we put it into our plastic bag and we seal the bag, and now we're going to massage it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so squeeze it, start squeezing. You gotta squeeze hard. There you go. forever, didn't we? And now it's time to take it out. Take it out. Oh, ew. Pull it out. You gotta pull it all out. Whoa, is it squishy? Pull it apart.
Scratch it. Oh, I break the piece.
Pull it.
Mom, so scratchy. Mom, so scratchy.
Stretchy. It's stretchy. Stretch it out as big as you can. Oh, it broke off. Ew.
Mom, I'm gonna build into a boat.
You're gonna make a boat? Oh.
I squish it together. Mom, squish it together. Slimy. Danny.
You gotta go like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look. It's like a big booger. Look, it's stretchy. Look, look, look. Look. See, if you let it hang like this, it'll stretch. Hold it like this. Hold it up as high as you can and let it stretch down. Don't pull it hard, pull it soft. Ew.